Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. This evening, it's already 9:46 p.m. It's almost 10 o'clock. Na ako karon din sa Green Coffee. This is Green Coffee. Musulod ko dire because I'm going to take my favorite cake and coffee. Mag-celebrate ko og Chinese New Year. Ako lang isa. Actually karon man gyud ang Chinese New Year. Okay. This is Green Coffee. Marid ba niyo, viewers? Mabasa ninyo. Okay. Musulod ko sa Green Coffee. This is located in Ikulan, Davao City. Dong miss coffee latte na mo.
Coffee latte.
Yeah, o coffee latte. Then tapos coffee latte ako aday. Siguro no na din tong cake akong paborito na
Red velvet.
Na aside sa velvet na ba lain? Red velvet na aside sa red velvet, caramel na may caramel. Wala. Kani siya unsa ni siya red velvet ba ni? Kani red velvet. Okay, isa ka slice lang red velvet be, then coffee latte.
Hot ko yung hot or ice?
Hot siyempre.
Grande size.
Ito.
Grande po.
Ano siya? Regular lang.
Is this for here or takeaway?
Pardon?
Is this for here or takeaway?
Dine in.
Can
Dito.
I have name po? For
Alexi Fernandez.
one name lang po. Alex.
Alexi. This is my fourth time dito. This is Green Coffee. May ano ba sa tip sa taas? Pwede sa taas?
Pwede, sir.
Sige, sa taas ko. Second floor. Yes, i-follow niyo ako. This is Green Coffee. Yes. How much?
Alex, here have one slice red velvet cake, one hot coffee latte, regular size.
How much?
180.
Pardon?
180.
180.
May smaller din po.
200 yan.
You receive 500 pesos.
Mag-celebrate ko direct Chinese New Year. Ako lang mag-isa.
Bigay, wait na lang po sa next counter. Thank you.
Pwede patog sa taas. Pwede patog sa taas. Anong pangalan mo? Ati ka lang, be. Anong pangalan mo? Ayan. Okay. Ikaw mo yung nag-serve sa akin last year, di ba? Last December 2029. May kasama ako. This is Green Coffee. Masyadong malinis sila. Love the area, love the place. Very clean. So to all the Davaoenos and Mindanaoans, even Visayas and Luzon, please try to visit Green Coffee. This is located at the Ikulan Street, Davao City. Linya lang siya sa Yellow Pen Restaurant. Very nice, then very good quality ang ilang produkto. Daghang kag mapilian din he. coffee and cakes. Hindi mo ako pwedeng hatid yan, sa taas yan. Sige, hatid mo ko yan. This is Ian. Lian. Thank you, ate. Miss, thank you. Muna yung staff sa Green Coffee. Masyadong mabait. So, okay na kasi ako dito. Say hi, Ian.
Hi.
That is Ian. Sa second floor ko, is this second floor yan?
Dito po.
Okay. Malapit ako sa sa door. Dito yan. Salamat yan.
Salamat.
Thank you. Ako lang mag-isa celebrate ng Chinese New Year. This is my coffee latte, and this is my red velvet cake. This is my coffee latte and my red velvet cake. Buksan ko muna to. Okay. This one. This is my favorite. This is red velvet cake. This one. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always watching me. To all my friends, subscribers, followers, viewers, continue to like and to share my video clip. Kung Hei Fat Choy to all the Filipinos in the Philippines. God bless us all.